Okay, hey everybody, this is Carl from carlsapty.com, and today we are going to be looking at how we can insert an image into a page, and then how we can use the same image to link it directly to a website that we wanted to go to. So the first thing we're going to be doing is we are going to be making a image link. To do this, we need to find the image source. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to make a new angle bracket, and we're going to call this image, which will be the tag, and our attribute is going to be source, which is src. And now this is going to be equal to in speech marks. Now we're going to go to, let's say, this website here, and let's say we want this Hollister, California image. So we're going to right click on it, and we're going to find where it says copy image URL, and we're going to copy it. We're going to go back into the notepad, and we're going to paste it. Now all we have to do is end the angle brackets, Control S to save it, and then we're going to refresh the page, and the image is now from there, it is now here. So what we're going to do now is, rather than just have the image there on its own, we're going to use this image to link it back to this particular website. Now the way we can do this by using HTML is very simple. So as seen in my previous tutorial, we used the ahref tag and attribute. And now this is going to be equal to, in a new pair of inverted commas, we're going to take the image URL, we're going to copy it, so right click copy, and we're going to go back into here, and we're going to paste it. Now we're going to end the speech marks, and we're going to close the angle brackets. We're going to open up another pair of angle brackets, and we're going to insert the same source into here. So now we have this. So over in here, this is purely the URL link, which will link directly to the website, and over in here is the image source of the actual image. So now this is going to end, and we're going to end the angle brackets. And now we're going to press Control S to save, and then we're going to press go to our new page, make a new page, and now we've got two images. So the first image shows us that this is the first image, which purely shows us the image source, this image here. Now the second image is the exact same image because it's from the same source. However, we've now added a direct link to it. So now when we click it, we're gonna come straight back to the website that we started with, and it's really as easy as that. The few things you really need to remember though is you have to start with the ahref in a opening tag, and then you have to remember to end your speech marks after your variable or your URL in this case, and then you want to close the angle bracket. You then want to open up a new angle bracket on the same line, which you'll then put your image source in, and then you will you'll end your speech marks, and you will close your second pair of angle brackets. Now since you want the URL to be within the actual picture, since we've started with an ahref, we have to therefore close it, and this is why we have the closing tag over here. And once you've done that, once you press save and refresh the page on your new page, you will directly have your image, which you can therefore link to any website that you want to. I'm Carl from carlsapty.com. Thank you very much for listening.